Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to fix this bath tap where the diverter valve is currently leaking when you convert it to the bath. So as you can see, as you press it down, water comes spilling out of it, flooding all onto the floor. So we're going to show you how to fix that today. Quick and simple. So I'm just going to mop up this water, then we're going to get onto how to remove it and fix it. So first of all, what you want to do is remove the shower hose from the bottom of the tap, lefty-loosey, unscrew that and place that in the bathtub. Next you want to do is this button here, the lever, you do need to screw anti-clockwise and it will undo. It does turn a few times, but it will come off like so. Next you need a pair of grips and once again turn it anti-clockwise and this will unspin the whole fitting from inside the tap body, and the pin itself will drop through and you'll see through the whole tap from top to bottom. So unscrew that and what you'll have is the diverter piece itself. As you can see, it all comes out in one piece. Here I am just checking it all out to make sure it's all okay, and what I found was the spring at the top was not enough tension to push this rubber washer up to make a complete seal to the underside of the tap, so it wouldn't create a proper seal and it was leaking out the top. So what I did was I gave the spring a good pull, so it had more upwards pressure on the underside of the tap. So I just gave that a nice few tugs just to move them all a few mil up so it does force upwards a lot more. And I also made sure the rubber washer actually sits nicely inside the spring because there is an indentation in the rubber washer itself. And as you can see, this feels nice and springy now. So I then made that back into the tap, tying it all in with my grips, holding against on the tap. I then made on the hose and I dried off any excess water that was already there so I could see if it was leaking. Make sure it's all bone dry before turning the water back on. Reconnect your shower hose like so, because you do need to test that it's diverting from the bath filler to the shower hose. Screw your handle back on to your diverter valve, righty-tighty all the way, and then you're ready to test. Turn the tap on, let that run for a few seconds, convert it to the shower hose, and as you can see, when it was filling the bath it was leaking, but this time there is absolutely nothing. This has sorted the problem. I hope this has sorted the problem out for you. Any questions, leave a comment down below. But this is how to fix your diverter valve for this style of bath tap. I do hope this video has helped. If it has, let me know and leave a comment, like the video and subscribe to the channel. I've been Wallace Plumbing. Hope this helps. Here's some more videos on plumbing. Have a good day and take care.